Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Handal Putra, a student from the Visual Communication Design Department. Long ago, in a quiet village in North Sumatra, there lived a young man named Toba. He was poor and lived alone. Every day, he worked as a fisherman by the river. His life was simple, but he was painted and grateful. Every morning, before the sun rose, Toba would walk to the river and cast his fishing line, hoping to catch something for food. One day, however, something unusual happened. From morning until afternoon, they caught nothing, not even a small fish. He felt hungry, tired, and disappointed. Just as he was about to give up, his fishing line moved violently. Toba heard Richard. This must be a big fish. The tongue he pulled the line with all his strength. The water splashed and rippled. Finally, he pulled out a beautiful golden fish, shone brightly under the sunlight. Toba was amazed and happy. He brought the fish home, planning to cook it for dinner. But when he left the fish in the kitchen and fitted a few moments later, something impossible had happened. The fish was gone. Instead, standing in the kitchen was a beautiful woman with long hair and gentle eyes. Toba froze in shock. Who are you? He asked. The woman smiled softly. I am the fish you caught, she said. I was once a human, but I was cursed because you did not harm me and brought me home. The curse has now been broken. Toba could hardly believe it, but he knew it was true. As they passed the spend more time together, the woman was keen, caring, and hardworking. Slowly, Toba fell in love with her. One day, he gathered his courage. Will you marry me? He asked. The woman looked at him seriously. I will marry you, she said, but you must promise my own thing. Anything, Toba replied. You must never tell anyone that I was on a fish. No matter what happened, Toba nodded. I promise. The god married and lived happily. Soon, they had a son named Samosir. However, Samosir grew up to be a lazy and greedy boy who loved to eat but hated to work. One day, his mother asked him to bring food to his father, who was working in the field. Please bring this food to your father, she said. Samosir agreed, but on the way, he felt hungry. He stopped walking. He ate most of the food. By the time he reached his father, only a little food was left. Toba looked at the food and frowned. Where is the rest? He asked. Samosir answered. Seriously, I ate it. Toba was furious. He was exhausted, hungry, and deeply disappointed. His anger took control of him. Without thinking, he shouted, You are the son of a fish. The moment Tousford left his mouth, everything changed. Back at home, the mother's son Lil felt something was wrong. She knew the promise had been broken. The sky turned dark, thunder roared, the wind blew violently. She quickly told Samosir, Go to the hill, run as fast as you can, and climb to the top. Samosir ran in fear. Then heavy rain began to fall. Not ordinary rain. Water poured endless, the river overflowed, the ground flooded. The water rose higher and higher, drawing the village, the field, and everything around it. Toba realized his terrible mistake, but it was too late. The water continued rising and rising until it formed a vast lake. The wheel where Samosir stopped became in Iceland, in the middle of the lake. The lake is now as a Lake Toba, and the island called Samosir Island. People believe that Lake Toba is a reminder of broken promise and the consequence of words spoken in anger. Moral of the story: a promise is scared. Once you make it, you must keep it because one moment of anger can change everything forever. Thank you.